Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on viewing your entire watch history on Netflix. You can see some of your history in the Continue Watching section on the Browse page, but I'll show you how to see a list of every title you watched in order. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by signing in to your Netflix account. From the Browse page of Netflix, hover over your profile icon and then select Account from the drop-down menu. In the Account page, under the Profile and Parental Control section, expand the user profile which you want to see the watch history of. Now click the View button next to Viewing Activity. This shows a list of your entire watch history for that user profile. Click Show More to load more of the history. You can keep going back and see a list of everything you've ever watched and what date you watched it. It's also possible to hide titles from your watch history here. To do that, click the Hide icon to the right of the title you want to hide. You can also completely delete your watch history here if you want to. Click Hide All from the bottom to do that. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Netflix tips and tricks.